Dami-daming Lopez, oh. Lopez Ira Lourdes. Just don't use my second name. Just don't use my second name. Ira Lopez! Ang daming crew on Sunday. Wala na talaga tayong chance.
The Ironman bag collection. Yung ibang mga babae loves to collect branded handbags. Ira, on the other hand, loves to collect backpacks and Ironman bags.
Wow! Lechon everywhere! Kasama natin ang Team Pal for the Ironman 70.3 and hindi ko yung mga muse nila, ang lilit 5 nila. Yung mga FD nila. Hindi naman lang guys! Parang nililipan yung ibang sa... Guys, huwag kayo mag-expect sa akin. Lima yung foreigner na kalaban ko.
Ira, may mag-istorbo na naman tayo.
Hello! Go Salt. Guys, I miss you! Ira! Good job! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel again. It's Ira. And for today's vlog, guys, we're finally here in Cebu. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog going here kasi syempre, tinulog namin, nagpahinga na kami. And today, we're here. Ayan, first day natin dito for 4 days stay here in Cebu for the Ironman 70.3 Lapu-Lapu. So,
Yan si Ira Lopez kung may training.
yun na nga eh. Kaya sanay na yung mga kasama ko na wala.
Prayers na lang.
Hanggang prayers na lang talaga. Pero yes, we're here. And kung nakita niyo yung last vlog natin guys na nabonk tayo sa finish line ng Bohol, yun ang goal natin is hindi mangyayari yun. Kaya kailangan ko lang i-pace, enjoyin, and all. Wala. 'Di ba? And for this weekend guys, we're staying here at Belmont Hotel. One of the best hotels here in Mactan, Newtown, Lapu-Lapu. They gave us the sea view room. Ayan, look at our view. Kaso mas nakita ko yung construction site dito. And for our supporters, this weekend we have Alu Lopez, fresh from Boracay to guys. Minute niya lang kami dito. Galing yun Boracay. Thank you. Nasira ang bakasyon niya. Joy, na alis ulit papuntang Dubai. Ooh, so sad. And Kang na naka-VM.
Lucky na siya.
Pagpahihin mo na, kanina pa siya gusto umiyak.
Hindi nag-video ako.
Alo, bakit nandaya mo ba? Bakit di ka nag-race ngayon?
Ha?
Bakit di ka nag-register?
Alam mo naman tayo, wala naman yung... yun din naman. Alam
Hindi,
mo,
guys,
magsasama na yung mga viewers.
Kakasabi natin wala rin. Kasi totoo po talaga na wala kaming training. And
hindi ko na talaga na-train.
yun nga eh, no. Iwan ko ba kaya ito si Alo nagugulat din sa akin. Bakit ka maglaro? Bakit ka naka-register?
Alam
Ang feeling.
Pero pwede naman. Hindi ko alam na may
Kaya naman.
Oo nga na, may sprint pala. Hindi namin dito niya alam may sprint. At sana pala nag-sprint na lang din pala ako. Mama, siguro later sir, dinner. Let's check our bike kung nakabuo na. Okay na sir? Wow! Oh, yun na. Ito na yung finish line natin guys. On Sunday, sana mabot tayo dyan sa finish. Dami-daming Lopez, oh. Lopez Ira Lourdes. Just don't use my second name. Just don't use my second name. Ira Lopez! Kaya daming crew on Sunday. Wala na talaga tayong chance. Ay, mag-race din mga bagets. So cute. Cute. Race tomorrow? Sprint. Anong speed? Anong distance ng... Good luck! Ako Tondo for the kid. Hey guys, we're here na sa Expo. Dahil nakalimutan ko hydration ko, naghahanap tayo dito ng alternative para lang makalagay ako ng water. Hi! Thanks, Unison! Thank you, sir. Ano name mo, sir?
Dia, sir.
Miss Mart from Rudy Project. Hello! Thank you for my change. From Rudy Project. And the helmet! Yes! Rudy! Rudy! Hello! 6-8. So for this year, another bag. Pero, ito yung last year, guys. Pero mas maganda yung this year. 2-in-1, duffel bag and backpack. See, nag-promote na ako.
Mula po sa Ironman Bag Collection, yung ibang mga babae loves to collect branded handbags. Ira, on the other hand, loves to collect backpacks and Ironman bags.
So this is what we're wearing this Sunday. Thanks to Rudy. Machi with my shade. Ayun, this is mo. Machi, diba? Ganda. Dinner time. Wow, lechon everywhere. Magkano? Magkano isang kilo? 1,000. 1K per kilo. Sa Luis Lechon, 800 lang. Mas mura sa amin. Mas mura sa Tarlac. Ano, correction daw. 900 na daw.
Di ba may lugar kasi sa Cebu na yung parang lechon talaga na?
Sa saan yung Cebu?
Car-car ba yun?
Car-car daw yung mga lechonan talaga. Oo nga, dapat makabisit kami sa car-car. Nakikita ko yun sa Facebook eh. Guys, ang sarap! Pero, nakakatawa kasi bago kami pumasok dito, nakita namin si Christopher Martin. Yung sinabi lang niya is,
Bawal mag-pork.
wag ba parang di daw maganda mag-pork before a race? Yung mga fatty foods.
Sabi namin, too late.
Tuloy, hindi kakatapos na magsinigang sa chumi-chumi. Morning! Good luck tomorrow! Bye! Morning! Hello! Wala! Mahirap! Dami pro! Ang goal ko lang is hindi mag-bomb pagkatapos! Diba?
It cools your head during the long run. Especially, di ba sa try, mainit na pag nag-run.
In fairness, parang siyang, ano ba to? Parang siyang stone.
Graphite. They call it
Graphite. Graphite, kaya pala. Ang lamig
Mahal pala
niya.
ng graphite no?
Graphite, wow. Ang lamig ah.
Fairness
And the
naman.
more you boost daw ng water, mas malamig.
Did you say the price na?
12,500? Wait lang.
Try mo daw, try mo muna.
Pero kailangan ko to for, ano kung wala kang training, kailangan mong lahat ng comfort bilhin mo na. Diba? Shit, well, meron siyang options na it's either you get the headband,
You can also get the visor.
you get the headband or the visor. Pag dalawa, how much? How much?
13.8.
Oh, grabe na talaga. Pag-gold na ng pag-gold, guys. Ano pa?
So, it's really for the triathletes like you. O, diba?
Actually, yung mga nakikita ko dito, yung mga nakikita ko na gusto, yung mga pro.
Yeah, and syempre, as a pro, kailangan
Gusto lang natin magbukang pro.
As a pro, kailangan mo yan bukas.
5 talaga. Pwede mo isipin ko mga.
Bulugan.
Pwede ba i-try daw?
What do you think, ate? Give me good advice.
Kung ako sa'yo, get mo na.
Akala ko naman tulungan ako ng ate ko na.
Gagamitin niya rin daw eh.
Hiramin ko din yun sa'yo. Pwede ko ba? At nabili na po.
5 minutes later, alam mo, ikaw ang galing ni Alu, guys. Kinakwento niya lang sa akin to last night, tapos may nakita kaming
Hindi naman ako
table.
Budol ka lang talaga. Magaling ka lang mabudol.
Alam mo, baliktad. Pagkasama ko si Kang, ang galing-galing niyang rap list. Di mo kailangan. Ganoon si Kang. Baliktad kayo.
Hindi, ako naman, kailangan mo kasi. Di ba? Oo, tingnan mo. Di ba kailangan?
Nabudol ako ng headband. 14,000. Si ano?
You need.
Good morning, Cam. Morning. Of course. Hi, Idol. Yeah, Mamita.
Wala ka?
Oo nga. Wala na naman akong training, pero tatapusin ko lang. Tatapusin ko lang. Hi! Good luck! Thank you! Ang daming options ng Belmont for the food, pero for today, we need carbs, kaya pansit, veggies, yan, linggit. Thank you, sir. Siyempre, we want maraming kalamansi at maasim na pansit.
Ang daming yelo.
Hello! Hi! Yeah, let's try their burger. Just juice.
Very low in alcohol by volume. Something nice to start your day with.
Cheers, guys! Cheers!
Good luck, Greg.
Thank you! Wow! Hell's Kitchen Burger. 1, 2, 3, go! Go bite! Try! Taste test! Grabe guys! Super heavy! Parang hanggang dinner na to. Okay, ready? Dripping. Super sarap. What can you say?
Very good.
Yum!
Thank you. Daghang salamat.
Free ice cream, guys. Get gelato.
Best
We have
ice cream daw.
Soft serve. Ako okay lang ako. No, na sir. Thank you. Go, Team Ira. Oy! Guys, huwag kayo mag-expect sa akin. Lima yung foreigner na kalaban ko.
Mayra, may mag-istorbo na naman tayo.
Hello! Stop every...
Hello, mag-take na.
Magka-close na.
Pati yung daughter ko.
Time to check in our bikes and may humabol. Lumipad pag-isa, going to Cebu.
Yes, hindi ko matiis.
Pero,
Here to support our Iron Lady.
yeah, is it Coach? Say hi.
Yung nagtapos
PM Fit PH! Coach Molly! Really?
Hindi, ako really ako si Mako.
Ay, Vigilant.
Oo, mabigyan tayo.
Guys, did you race kanina? Congrats! Guys, tignan nyo naman. Ito na siguro pinakamahabang bike check-in na nakita ko. Ano mo? Iba talagang Iron Man.
Cebu.
Ibig sabihin, super daming participants.
Iron Man Cebu.
Hindi na pala sa EDSA traffic.
Traffic din dito, guys. Pakita mo yung line lang. Oo. Nakapila rin yung mga kasama natin.
Insert, Eye of the Tiger. Dan.
Oo nga.
O nga, no? On cue.
Narinig.
Papaluwi po dito.
Ilang beses na pa, akala nila si BJ si Papa Louie.
Ito po, kasama ko po yung mga anak nyo. At yung ampon nyo. Lalo.
Doon ang bike transition, all the bikes are there. Okay guys, so ngayon ko na napipili ka ba? Oh my God! Okay, but again, our goal is to finish lang naman. Lalo na after the Bohol, di ba? Medyo na-trauma tayo doon. And wala din naman talaga tayong training, kaya mahirap i-beat yung time ko last year. Kaya now, we're just here to finish and have fun! And our bike, our sisters! Speed Concept, winning! Nice! First Ironman?
Yes!
How do you feel? Kayang-kaya. Bike pa lang, oh. 3 months old bike. Kaya fresh na fresh. Okay, move ko para may space ka. Okay lang, sir, move ko dito. Ah, okay. And our support crew for tomorrow, Joy, VG, Papa Louie. No, hindi si Papa Louie. Ilang beses siya na pagkakabalaman, pero si VG po yan. Alu and Cam. So may mass doon na 5 p.m. Dito lang. Okay, let's go.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon.
682.
682. Ma'am Ira,
Yeah.
from Manila.
May ganun ka?
May pag-ganon.
Okay na, sir.
Gonna take a picture.
Okay guys, so kasama natin ang Team Pal for the Ironman 7.3 and hindi ko yung mga muse nila, ang lilit 5 nila. Yung mga FD nila. Hindi naman! Good luck guys! Parang lilipad lahat to bukas ha. Parang lilipad, yung ibang sana lilipad. 3, 2, 1, go! Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines!
Some of those countries include Brazil, China,
It's a swim of 1.9 kilometres, a cycle of 90 kilometres, and a run of 21.1 kilometres. And we can't wait to see you in 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 hours. It doesn't matter. But we want to see you all back at the finish line.
It's an amazing experience. You see different nationalities here. You know, it's like one community rooting for Ironman. Everybody is excited for the event.
To the athletes, see you all in the finish line. Thank you, mabuhay!
Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! 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 Go!
Bring it back, 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 back. Bring it. Keep it back, 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 back. Look at all this shoulders. Bring it. Back, back, back. Bring it. Bring it back, up, up, 'cause it's lit. Keep the cool eyes cold for the shit. Because I'm ballin'. Look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back, 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 back. Bring it. Keep it back, 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 back. Look at all this, bring it.
So imagine you start riding up the bridge and it's a lot of fun, really fun. And then you go down really fast. You do that U-turn, but when you come back, it's a little bit taller and a little bit longer.
Athletes put on a smile and we had some great camaraderie.
The bridge was amazing. It's breathtaking. It's a good view.
When the run starts, it's called the heat switch. Oh, it's a lot of fun.
Looking at me, now go ahead and move that body.
thought love it, and I really do love it because it's not an easy sport. Everything will come full circle one day, and then it'll come back to you. And you know, everyone has their time, and hopefully you just got to get through those dark points because yeah, it's well worth it when you're on the outside.
Hi guys! So, we're back and tinatry namin pumasok sa likod para makapanood sana kami ng swim start. Eh, hindi. Asan na ba yung, paano ba to? Ayan. Go So, time check is 10:17 in the morning. And si Ira nasa 77 kilometers na. So, lalabas na tayo.
So, meron tayong...
May magtataho kami.
Open mo na. Wala mo na.
Drink and ice for Ira. And some other. Ira! Let's go! Yan. So, tapos na siya sa bike. How do you think she's doing? How do you think based on her face? Her face?
She has the best crew.
And she's tired. She looks tired.
Best snowboard.
Pero, look at 3 bells. Last 21K. Last 21K. Woo! Let's go, Ira! Let's go! Ira, let's go! Ira, we're waiting for you. Where are you? Where are you?
Let's go!
Ira! Salt.
Guys, I miss you.
Ira, good job! Ice here. Ice? 9 pesos only. Ayaw nila. Ice? 9 pesos only. Babalikan kita, kuya. Ano number? Babalikan kasi, kuya. May utang yung 10. Last check. 9 kilometers for Ira. 9 kilometers.
Go dito!
Go, Pops! Let's go!
Akin na lang yan.
Come na.
Go!
Can do it. Almost there. Last one. Ha? Kumusta? Okay lang? Kaya yan. Nice. Alright. Lapit na ba? Come on, let's go. Come. 14K. Hi! let's go. Sinamahan ko lang siya ng ilang kilometers pero nakapagod. Anyways, good luck. And, sorry, congrats sa lahat ng participants ng Ironman 70.3 Lapu-Lapu Cebu. Ang saya. Oh my gosh. Go, go, Ira! Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Congrats!
Let's go, let's go!
We've also got the kilos, cartloads. Great job.
Good job! Good job, Ram! Grabe.
Jump over there to the corner of these fish and chips. All the students. We have got the things down there right at the finish line. You can see the I can see Neil Regino.
682. Grabe oh! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you guys!
Iswag sa deday. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Gabi na ko. Picture ko na kasi mga
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Wala!
Nice! Bye po!
Thank you.
Uwi na, pwede na tayo.
Uy, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye guys.
Bye! See you next year? Yes!
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you!
Hello! Mga Cebuano bikers!
Idol!
Ayan. Kanina pa doon sila nag-wait eh. Sasama natin sila. Ano gusto mo sulat ko? Ay, ito na.
Kita lang.
Lagay tayo ng ride safe. Here. Ayan, syempre. Here ba? Thank you. Ingat.
Congrats. Boss, pwede ba picture, boss? Congrats, mama. Sorry.
Yes, no?
Sorry.
1, 2, 3,
Okay. Hey guys! So, fresh from the shower and I realized na wala pa pala tayong debriefing after the race. Kita nyo, even yung mga sisters ko, tinatanong ako, kumusta? What can you say?
Folks, jump over there to the corner of these fish and chips. All the
Wala akong nasabi kasi alam mo yung moment lang na yun, yung pagod lang yung nararamdaman ko, yung happiness, na naka-finish tayo, yung finally, tapos na wala. Parang hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin lahat ko ano bang gusto kong sabihin. But now, pag-usapan natin. We're done with our second Ironman 70.3. Actually guys, second Ironman 70.3 ko and second time din na dito sa Cebu. Hindi ko alam, favorite ko talaga ang Cebu. Parang sobrang saya ng crowd, diba? Grabe sila mag-cheer at talagang wala, iba talaga yung CCLX dito eh. And lalo na alam nyo na ang forte ko talaga or ang favorite ko talaga is the bike leg. So yung experience na makaride ka sa CCLX or ang longest bridge in the Philippines, iba talaga, sobrang ibang feeling yun. And for our finish time, guys, mas matagal tayo ngayon ng 5 minutes compared to my last Ironman last year. And hindi naman siya nakakagulat because mas may ensayo naman ako last year compared this year. Again, thank you so much to our support crew. Grabe, si Kang, si Alu, si Joy, nagaling pa ng Dubai, and si Mark. Ayan, first time niya ako samahan mag-Ironman and grabe sila mag-support. Kanya-kanyang role talaga. Yung isa taga-hawak ng ice, isa taga-video, isa hawak yung bell, si video naman. Lahat ng mga U-turns, guys, pinupuntahan niya talaga para makakuha siya ng ibang angle naman. So, and sa mga nag-a-ask, guys, yung nabili nating headband na graphite stones na Omnius. So, di ba ang mahal nun? So, agad ko talagang ginamit sa race. Sa run ko siya nagamit. In fairness, imagine hanggang almost 1 p.m. kung tumatakbo, sobrang init. Na-feel ko talaga yung effect niya. Every buhos, every aid station talaga guys, nagsastop ako to buhos. Siyempre para mas ma-feel ko at lumabas yung lamig niya. Kailangan mo talaga siyang buhusan guys para umeffect. Kaya sulit naman yung binayaran natin. And again, magagamit ko pa yun guys because for our next event or next race, we are doing the New York Marathon 2025. Wow! Grabe guys, dream ko lang to. Guys, it's my dream city. It's my first marathon. Kaya talagang looking forward ako for November 2. Grabe, 2 months na lang. Kaya yung activity ko ngayon, pause muna ako sa bike and swim. Puro run tayo ngayon. Grabe talaga yung pagod guys. Pero ito yung fulfilling feeling na hinahanap mo after finishing an Ironman 70.3 race. Paano pa kung full Ironman na, diba? So, yun. Sunog tayo. Kita nyo naman yung tan lines ko. Ang lala. But it's all worth it. Diba? For next year, I promise, mas magti-training tayo para mas maganda yung time natin. Diba? And now, time to rest. Good night, guys. Morning! Hey! Dito yung swim start namin kahapon guys. Kaso, bawal ang outsiders. So, hindi ako napanood nila alo. So, nag-track lang sila sa Ironman app. Kaya rin wala tayong video and pictures. Hello! Thank you. Tonight, uwi na rin. So, yun guys. Kaya wala rin akong pictures and video dito sa vlog. Sa swim start. Kasi nga, bawal silang pumasok. Grabe guys, yung 1.9 swim namin hanggang dulo. Grabe, na-swim ko yun. Start here, and then left hanggang dulo, and then right, and here. Doon. So, pabalik dito ulit. So, more on sa left talaga. Cheers!
You're awesome! Hi!
Hello, thank you! Ay, layover nila sa Cebu. Okay. We have Clubhouse sandwich. Okay, before leaving Cebu, our favorite bucket shrimps. Ano flavor Tulu?
The later one was S, the garlic butter, and the darker is the Cajun spicy.
And the sinigang. Lahat ng klase ng shrimp po. May sinigang
We have the
pang...
pork belly grilled, yempo loco.
And liempo. And, yun na. Ay, diyan kami nag-bike?
No, on the side. That's the old bridge. So we're here at the yacht club, the College Cebu Yacht Club.
Yep.
Mga unta!
Guys, grabe. Sarap ng sinigang na hipon. Siyempre, request natin dapat maasim. Anything maasim, masarap sa amin. We have liempo. Yan. Cajun and garlic. Buttered garlic.
Right. Let's eat.
Yum! Asim. ACM. Wow, guys! ACM siya. Thank you. Saan ba tayo? Chubi-chubi, no? Hindi masyado, no? Vaporize ka talaga? Bye! Ano ulit?